Hey David, why does a rib loosen?
Okay, so it's a very important question that the customer will always care about the tension of the rib. In many cases that the rib is lack of elastic, the rib cannot recover to the normal shape after wearing for many times. We're also facing the same problem at the very first years that actually we have many complaints about this kind of issue from the customer. They are claimed that the rib cannot recover after wearing and it's losing the shape. It's always waving on the bottoms and those kind of problems. So our team has actually spent a lot of time investigating in this kind of issue in our daily worker. And at the end, I think we have the conclusion for 3 points normally when we are developing a knitwear. So first, we have to know that we will have 3 parts that involve the ribs in a normal flat knitwear. First is the neck rib, and then we have the bottom rib, and then we have the curved rib. Usually we will use the nylon inside of the rib first. And in the old time, most of the factory will only add 1 centimeters on the starting point of the rib to have the more elastic. But in our company, we do the full range of the ribs to add the nylon to make sure the whole range of the ribs has the good recovery after wearing. It's very challenging for our company in the cost because even though every piece to add the nylon is about 20 cents per piece, but considering we have about over 1 million pieces every year, so it's about $200,000 cost for us only to solve a small problem like this. But my strategy is we would rather to spend more on our side, but to avoid this problem totally from the production for our customers. And the second thing is the tension. The tension is the most important point in the men's knitwear. So we have to make sure all the tension on the rib is the highest tension, sometimes even at the boundary of the capacity of our machines. So every time when we are making samples, we always ask the factory and our sampling room to make it as tighter as possible. It's very, very important. The third part is that to use the right plies in the ribs, because the normal thing is that we do like 1 ply in the body and then we also do 1 ply in the ribs. But in our development, we will use more plies to make sure we have the good tension and it's strong enough. And also to have a strong rib is also a very important expression for the style because it will show more masculine to the garment. So if you are working with spray lead, we already avoid this tension problem from very beginning since the development stage. You don't need to worry about it. We are spray leads. We only make men's knitwear.